Hello guys, welcome to my channel RSR Paintings. Let's start sketching first. Today I am drawing Banaras Ghat. It is a part of Banaras Ghat. The sketch is completed now. First wet the color with a spray bottle. I will not wash the paper because it is artist handmade paper. It can't handle water that much. That's why I don't use water for wet the paper. I'm using fan brush here. Now I will do little detailing here. If you like my paintings, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Painting is completed now. Let's see the closer view of this painting so you can see the detailings here. If you like this painting, please do like, comment, share and subscribe RSR Paintings channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.